welcome to this episode of Mommy Sea Star. Today I'm going to do an acrylic pour painting using a painting kit for pouring. I've never tried that before, but this is a Pouring Masters kit and it comes with the pour paint and also some medium and some silicone oil. So I'm going to be using everything just from this kit and see what happens. So this is a great kit if you're just starting out because it comes with the silicone oil for creating paint cells. It comes with this really cool color wheel, this pouring medium. It's beautiful. Lots of different colors. It tells you all these different techniques. I can already see I'm going to need more black for what I have in mind. So I'm going to use black that I have. Actually, this is mixed with water. I think I'll mix a little bit of the pouring medium in it as well. I want to do like a rainbow and go from dark to light. You can do whatever you want with this stuff. There are really no rules, only there are outcomes, and you just have to decide what you want. I'm always after beauty, truth, and goodness. Those are my aesthetics. Okay, and I'm gonna put some blue here, and I like how the white looks, so I might just put a little blue like that and then put white on this side. I like how it looks when I give some swirls here. Going to prepare some colors with silicone oil, just a few drops, so that I can get some cells. I'm also adding some of the pouring medium so that it's nice and fluid. Now here's where the rubber meets the road. I'm going to place my pouring cup. To bring out the cells and to pop any air bubbles that are near the surface. These are the paint cells, they really like them. Looks like a pretty, creativity takes courage. That's a quote by Matisse.